So for the third part of the implementation, I added three methods in the ingredient class: a return total calories, return total protein, and then a return total carbs. And what these each three do is they take the calories per unit and then they multiply it by the number of units within that ingredient. And then over here in the recipe class, I also added three methods over here that's going to return to the recipe demo the total calories, total protein, and total carbs. And how it does this is, it just has like a total calories, for example. It just has like a regular integer. It's going to start at 0, and then it iterates through the map using that map.entry. And then for each one, it's just going to get the key value, and it's going to return the total calories of that specific ingredient. And it's going to add it on the calorie, and then it's going to return that value once it's like finished iterating. And it's the same process for all three methods. And over here in the recipe.demo, I commented out some of the stuff that was used in the second implementation part, just to make it easier when I run it. I'm going to go ahead and run it right now. So I can see it does like original stuff, adds cheese, adds sauce, and it's going to have the original recipe, and then it's going to calculate the total amount of calories for that. It's going to do it right, this print statement right here. As you can see, prints out total calories and uses that r.get total calories, r.get total protein, and then so forth. And then it's going to prints it out over here, and then it removes the cheese from it, thus making obviously less calories, protein, and carbs across the board. Prints out the new recipe, and then it prints out the total calorie figures again down here, right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.